Today, we're exploring Tehran's historic carpet bazaar, a place where every carpet carries a story from Iran's rich past. When you enter the carpet market, you are stepping into a world where every color and every pattern tells a story from Iran's past. For many people around the world, Persian carpets are simply decorative items. But for Iranians, carpets have always been something far more than a product. A carpet has been a part of the home, culture, and memories of generations. In these very corridors, you can find carpets from different regions of Iran. From Tabriz and Kashan to Isfahan and Kerman, each region has its own unique style. Some are known for their intricate patterns, some for their elegant and calming colors, and some for designs that hide ancient stories within their threads. But the true beauty of this market is not only found in the carpets themselves. It lies in the stories of the people behind each one of these works of art. Years ago, somewhere in Iran, a weaver spent countless hours and days creating a single carpet, a carpet that might one day travel thousands of kilometers and find its way into a home on the other side of the world. Some of these carpets take months or even years to complete. Every knot is tied by hand, every color is carefully selected, and every pattern preserves a part of a centuries-old tradition. That is why the value of a Persian carpet is not only found in its appearance, but also in the story hidden within its threads. And perhaps the most fascinating part of this story is that an experienced merchant can see things hidden from most people simply by looking at a carpet. They can tell where it came from, how it was made, and why its true value is far greater than what appears at first glance. But behind every valuable carpet, there is more than just the skill of a weaver. There is another story as well. The story of the people who have protected and preserved this market for generations. Among these old corridors, there are shops that have been gathering places for merchants and admirers of Persian carpets for generations. Many of the merchants here have spent a large part of their lives among these very walls, a place where they learned how to recognize the quality of a carpet, how to build relationships with customers, and how to preserve a tradition that has existed for centuries. For them, a carpet is not just a product. It is a part of their identity and their way of life. Some of these shops carry family stories that have been passed down through generations. A father learned the trade from his grandfather, and the next generation continues the same path. Every morning, as the old wooden doors of these shops open, the same story begins again, conversations with customers, unfolding carpets, carefully examining patterns, and deals that are sometimes built on decades of trust. Every carpet that has passed through these shops carries a story with it. The story of a weaver who spent countless hours creating it, a merchant who used years of experience to understand its true value, and a family who may have preserved this art in their home for generations. Tehran's Grand Bazaar has remained alive for more than 2 centuries, not only because of its old walls and historic architecture, but because of the people who work here every day and continue this legacy.